Okay, this exercise for the hands and wrists, I like to sit with my legs straight out. I can get nice and secure with my hips straight out and my legs straight. Now, the important part of this one is I'm going to use my fingers at the back of my hips here, and I'm going to place the hand waker, hands right about that far back so that I can get a nice, even grip onto with the palms of the hands. So I'm going to spread my fingers nice and wide, get them on there. So reach, and you're going to imprint the back of the heel of the hand and really get a widening through the whole palm. Reach and stretch through the fingers. Now, my first position, we're going to have the fingers forward facing my body. And I'm just going to bend my elbows and I'm going to get some weight there. So I'm going to lean back into most of the weight bearing is right into the palm of the hand. So take a nice inhalation. And as you exhale, you're going to bear weight there. I'm going to come to straighten up. I'm going to open my chest. I'm going to lift my sternum. I'm going to press into the waker so that I'm feeling space through the wrists, through the elbows, and opening the shoulders. Exhale down. Weight more intensely into the waker. Press, inhale up. Open everything, stretch it. Exhale down. And inhale, press. Keep the fingers active, it really helps. Lift the chest, open the collarbones wide. Exhale down, and one more. Inhale, press, feel the fingers stretch. Feel the wrist opening, the shoulders widening, and come down. Now we're going to change position with the hands. We're going to face the fingers towards each other. This one also makes the shoulders roll in a little bit. So find your position, get the palm of the hand nice and secure into the nubs of the wakers. Spread the fingers best you can. This one's an awkward position. And you're going to bend your elbows down. We don't have this position often, so it's good to move the shoulder in different positions so we don't get locked. So we're going to exhale. I'm going to press and lift up. Inhale. Inhale, inhale. Now I'm going to exhale again. I'm going to press into the waker. And now I'm going to inhale. Reach the fingers. Feel space all the way up from the wrists to the shoulders. Lift and open the chest. Exhale down. Inhale. Lift. Exhale. Weight into the palms. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we're going to change position again. Widen, get the heel of the hand on the back of the waker. Widen the bones of the fingers and the palms. And reach. Now, once you have your position, the elbows will be facing backwards. I'm just going to lean back, get my weight there. So I'm going to press. I'm going to inhale up. Lifting the chest. I'm going to straighten my arms as much as I can, but not locking the elbows. Exhale down. Feel the weight into the hands. Inhale up. Lifting, lengthening, opening the chest, keeping the shoulders nice and wide. And exhale down. Press into the wakers. Inhale, press, lift, up. Exhale, down, down, down. One last time. Inhale, press up. Reach the fingers, lift, feel it almost lifting you off your sit bones. And exhale down. Okay, we're going to change positions. Now the fingers are going to go outward, like so. Elbows still back, nice and wide. Get a good connection into the palm. And reach. So go ahead and exhale down, lean back into it to inhale and press, lifting, opening the whole chest and shoulders. Exhale down, bend the elbows, get weight into the palms of the hands to press, lift, lengthen up. Breathe, exhale down, inhale up. These exercises are very toning for the triceps and they really open the shoulder girdle. Exhale down, feel the weight into the palms. One last time, inhale, press, make it your best one yet. Lift, lengthen, come off. and just feel that. Let your wrists loosen up a little bit from all those extreme positions and enjoy.